All right, so everybody, it's Brian with Paradise Parrot Rescue. We are gonna go and see if we can capture this little Indian ringneck, which is lost. It's totally wild and it flies away and stuff. We were here earlier today and it was way too tall in a tree. So we'll see. Probably not gonna be successful, but we'll see.
Oh. We got it! Aww. Yay!
We got him!
Yay! Now we gotta find his home.
All right.
You okay, little buddy?
He's fine. He just got a little dazed there for a second. But we got him.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi.
All right.
Got
Back
him.
to Paradise Parrot Rescue with this little guy.
Yay!